products of Miss O, anybody here already use the or are using the products of Olivia Kido?
Yes.
Most of you, right? So basically what we do is to as a consultant, we actually give advices to our clients or to our members on how they're gonna use the products, what are their regimen based on their skin concern. So basically, you really need to know first what's gonna be the concern. So we actually two types of skin concern that we address, and the products that we recommend based on that particular skin concern. Okay, so basically, the skin concern would be with hyperpigmentations and with those who suffer with acne or pimples. Okay, so those two skin concerns are basically the products that we have can actually give them more results. Okay, and more glowing skin, even those who are concerned with the aging of their skin, we can also address that particular skin concern. Okay, so we're gonna start with actually with the regimen that we basically give to our clients or to our members. So we have two regimen that we give. One is the Ultimate Glow, which includes most of our products, and the other one would be the acne regimen. Okay, so with Ultimate Glow regimen, those who has aging concern, who has hyperpigmentation, dark spots, these are the products that we recommend. Okay, so we usually advise them to have a morning regimen and a night regimen. Okay, and we also suggest them to do some mask night every Monday and Thursday night. We schedule them every Monday and Thursday night so that we can all remember that this nights would be the mask night regimen. Okay, so that's the reason why we uniformly advise the members or the clients to do the mask night every Monday and Thursday night. Okay, so every morning they have to do the cleansing with the use of our cleansing milk, and follow up with the balancing toner, which is our toner. And sometimes we advise them to, if they have they have dry skin as well, they can actually apply directly on their skin the toner. Okay, and then follow up with the vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is a serum type of product, and follow up by the beauty oil. And then they're gonna have active moisturizer after that, and then Secret Pearl and sunscreen. So this is gonna be the morning regimen of those who have hyperpigmentation or melasma on their skin. And at night, they can actually have cleansing milk, toner, and beauty oil. We do actually have skin peeling cream, but it really depends because skin peeling cream is a prescription product. So we actually advise them to, get some clearance to medical practitioner. It's either in California, if you are in California, or if your clients are located in California, or we do have partners, a medical or a doctor partners with other state. Okay, so if they really need to have skin peeling cream. And right after that would be the Secret Pearl and the Secret Radiance as their night regimen. Okay, so every Monday and Thursday night, we usually advise them to do the Secret Glow and the Secret Gold. Those two products are the mask product that we have. They can actually layer those two products every night. And they also have some option if they wanted to, use Secret Glow for this week, and then the following week would be the Secret Gold. Okay, and then later on, I'm gonna discuss some of the ingredients and benefit of each product so that you're gonna have an idea. Okay, and then acne regimen will be more on if they suffer some acne breakouts, pimples. So this is gonna be the regimen that we recommend for them. So they can still use the cleansing milk, the toner, active moisturizer, because in Club O we don't have hydrating gel, and the acne cream, sunscreen. So this is going to be their morning regimen. And then at night, they can have the benzoyl wash, the balancing toner. They have also an option to use the beauty oil, and then skin peeling cream is also an option, and acne cream, and then Secret Radiance. So you can actually have this kind of regimen for them, but still it's going to be a case-to-case basis. It really depends on the skin concern of the clients, because hyperpigmentation, we have a lot of types of hyperpigmentations. So that the results of the products would be depends on the type of hyperpigmentations that they have, because there are hyperpigmentations or dark spots that it's really hard to give some results out of it, because it's that kind of hyperpigmentation is gonna be so deep on their skin, unlike those who has sunspots or those who have aged spots. It's much easier to get some results out of these products. Okay, so sometimes we actually explain to the clients the percentage of the results because of the situation of their skin or the type of hyperpigmentation on their skin. But with regards to the acne prone skin, we can actually give a good result out of our regimen, okay, or out of our products. So let's move on with the benefits and how you're gonna use the products that we have. So cleansing milk, basically, this is the product that you will use to cleanse your skin. Actually, the effect of this one as compared, because sometimes clients or members will ask you, what's gonna be the difference of having this cleansing milk as compared to the usual cleanser. Okay, there are a big difference of having this kind of cleansing milk, because we have two specific ingredients that can actually give them a good result. Okay, so the cleansing milk is like once you use this product, you can actually feel the softness of your skin. It has hydrating effect on your skin. It gives a lot of hydration. And at the same time, if you have hyperpigmentation, it can actually improve your skin or lessen the pigmentation on your skin because of this two particular ingredients, which is the lilac stem cells and the sea daffodil. As you can notice here on our bottles, you can actually see the two good ingredients of our cleansing milk. So these two can actually help your hyperpigmentation and the aging of your skin. Okay, it's also non-comedogenic, meaning it cannot clog your pores, so it's also safe for those who are actually having some breakouts or who are prone for acne. Okay, it's also good for all skin types. So either you have a dry skin, you have an oily skin, and it's actually safe for those women that are pregnant or lactating women. They can actually use this one. And as young as 9 years old, you can actually recommend this cleansing milk. Okay, so we actually have two ways on how we can use this. One is the dry cleanse, and the other one is the wet cleanse. So if you are more on or if you are using makeup or you have makeup, you can actually advise them to do dry cleanse, because you can actually have this one as your makeup remover. So all you have to do is to dry dry cleanse, do this dry cleanse procedure. Apply this on your dry skin, and then gently massage onto your face, and then rinse thoroughly through lukewarm water or clean damp cloth. And then follow up with the wet cleanse. That's how we're gonna do this cleanse. That's how we're gonna do the cleansing milk. Okay, or if your clients does have this oily skin, if they are suffering oily prone skin, they can actually also do the double cleanse procedure. Okay, so the ingredients of this cleansing milk, aside from sea daffodil and lilac stem cell, it also has chamomile, and it's actually natural antioxidant and moisturizer on their skin. And it also has rose geranium. It's actually an antimicrobial. It has antimicrobial properties that can actually heal some distressed skin. Okay, so these are the key ingredients of this cleansing milk. So after cleansing milk, of course, you can advise them to do the toner or have the toner. It's alcohol free. It actually cleanses, tones, and refresh, as well as hydrate their skin. And it actually normalize the pH balance of our skin once you use this kind of toner. That's why that's why the name is balancing toner. So every time we wash our face, actually it lowers our pH, skin pH balance, and that's the reason why we actually need the toner. It normalizes our pH. Okay. It also helps us inhibit unwanted pigmentation and gives you a luminous, even skin tone because it also has lilac stem cell and sea daffodil ingredients. So it's also non-comedogenic, so it's safe. It cannot clog any pores, and it's also safe for lactating and pregnant women. And after, if they have dry skin, they can actually apply it directly on their face, or they can transfer this toner into a sprayer bottle so that they can spray all over their face, most especially if they have dry skin. But if they do have oily skin, it is advisable to do or to use cotton balls or cotton pads so that they can actually wipe off some excess sebum on their skin. It can really help their skin. So some of the key ingredients, apart from sea daffodil and lilac stem cell, it also has aloe leaf. It actually provides healing and anti-inflammatory effect. And witch hazel, which is a natural astringent that helps reduce inflammation on their skin, most especially if they do have breakouts or their skin is more on the acne-prone skin. Okay. So right after balancing toner, we actually advise them to use the vitamin C. So it has 20% vitamins. That's why it is called vitamin C 20% serum. So it actually has 20% vitamin C on it. Most of the vitamin C available in the market do have only 5, 10, 15% of vitamin C. But with Olivia Kido Skincare, we actually have 20% vitamin C on it. That's how potent our serum or our vitamin C is. It has high dose of antioxidant and rich in vitamin C. So vitamin C, we all know that it can also be great for those who have pigmentation or who have dark spots, as well as to prolong the aging of your skin. It can actually brighten your skin once you use this vitamin C. So with vitamin C, if you have pimples or acne, we don't actually advise to use the vitamin C. They can actually skip this one. Once they can have how to use it. They can apply this in the morning, okay, and then they can have it 3 to 4 drops, and then smooth all over their face, and then they can actually follow up with another liquid form of product, which is the beauty oil. Okay, so vitamin C, it has, aside from the higher dosage of vitamin C, it also has lilac stem cell and sea daffodil as well. And it also has hyaluronic acid, which it can actually gives you more smooth skin. It can actually eliminate those wrinkles, improve the texture of your skin, and, you know, give some more moisture and hydration on your skin. So that's going to be the purpose of hyaluronic acid on our skin. So right after vitamin C, of course, it is much better if you're going to apply beauty oil. This is one of, you know, one of the best product when it comes to anti-aging, because if you are familiar with retinol, retinol is, you know, good for anti-aging, as well as those who suffer with pimples or acne. It can actually improve their skin with retinol. But with beauty oil, we actually have specific ingredient in beauty oil, which we call it bak choy oil. Bak choy oil is 10 times better than retinol. It's actually a natural alternative for retinol. If your skin is sensitive, or if your skin does react with retinol, you can actually have a bak choy oil ingredient on your skin. It is also the best anti-aging that we have here. If you wanted to, you know, achieve some glassy skin, like a Korean skin, you can actually achieve that kind of results with our beauty oil. Okay, so it can gives you more glowing skin. It can actually produces a lot of collagen, because as we get age, we loses some collagen, and that's the reason why we really need to have a products that can help us produce more collagen on our skin. Okay, for us to be able to, you know, look more younger, to have a plump skin. Okay, so that's going to be the effect of beauty oil. Beauty oil can also used by those who have acne or pimples, because or those who have oily skin. Sometimes they have this fear that once they use the beauty oil, they can they thought that their skin will be more oily, but it will not. Actually, it can be easily absorbed on your skin, and it's really healthy, and it's really giving you a much more glowing skin when you use this beauty oil. Okay, not only that, you can also use this all over your body. You can use this on your face, on your hair, on the back of your hands, all over your body. It's really safe. Okay, it can also diminish fine lines and wrinkles. It brighten your skin, and this is one of our super anti-aging product. So all you have to do right after vitamin C, you can actually pour 4 to 5 drops of beauty oil, and then massage all over your face, your neck, the back of your hand, your hair, so that you can have a good results. You can also use this in the morning and at night, or you have an option if you can use this in the morning or at night. Okay, it really depends on you. So, of course, we have bak choy oil, which is the natural alternative for retinol. It can reduce fine lines, wrinkles, restore firmness, and improve the skin texture or skin tone of your skin. And for those who are afraid to use beauty oil because they might get you know, an oily skin, it cannot give you that kind of result, because it actually absorb quickly on your skin because the oil that we use here are marula oil and the jojoba seed oil. So marula oil, it's rich in fatty acid, which is also an antioxidant, and it also has vitamin C and E, and it cannot clog their pores. Okay. With the jojoba seed oil, it has a natural source of vitamin A, B, and also has copper and zinc. And also, it cannot clog your pores because it easily absorbs into your skin. It also has lavender oil. That's why when you open this beauty oil, you can actually smell a little bit of lavender on it because of this particular ingredient. And we all know that lavender is a multi-benefit oil that gives your skin more calming and clear. And it also has antimicrobial properties to help fight acne. That's why it's also good for those who have acne prone skin. So next, right after beauty oil, they can actually apply immediately the active moisturizer. So this moisturizer can actually give you more hydration on your skin, most especially if you suffer or if you have a dry skin. It's really a lightweight moisturizer that can actually absorb quickly on your skin. And it actually it has botanical blend. Okay, it also has AHA and BHA ingredient on it. It is also non-comedogenic, so it is also good for those who have acne prone. You can use this in the morning, only in the morning, because at night we have a separate product that can gives you more hydration, which is the night cream that we have. Okay, and then later I'll discuss which one is the night cream. So right after active moisturizer also do have ascorbic acid or vitamin C on it, and apple stem cell that can delay the aging of your skin. That's the benefit of having apple stem cell as an ingredient on our products. And also the AHA and BHA blend that can actually exfoliate your skin easily. It helps your skin to have a cellular turnover. Okay, because every time we have our skin produces a lot of sebum, it also sometimes the reason why we our skin having breakout, it's because of the clogging of our pores, because of our dead skin cells. So having AHA and BHA blend on our product can actually help us, remove those dead skin cell and have that a good results with our skin, or prevent some breakouts on our skin. Okay, because it's actually a mild exfoliation on our skin as well with this kind of ingredients. It also has organic hops extract that can actually give you more soft skin and collagen production. And that can cause, minimizing wrinkles and dark spots on our skin. So, of course, we need to have an SPF or sunscreen every day or every morning as part of your regimen. So our sunscreen, it has SPF 50. It's broad spectrum. It can gives you actually a matte finish effect. It has a high protection of SPF. In the market, we do have two kinds of sunscreen. We have chemical sunscreen and mineral sunscreen. The best sunscreen that we can actually have would be the mineral sunscreen. And that's our broad spectrum sunscreen. The reason why, it's because of the two particular ingredients that we have on this sunscreen. Because some ingredients on your sunscreen, like for example, if your sunscreen is chemical, it still actually absorbed onto your skin. It did not block the UV rays or the sun rays on your skin, while having the mineral sunscreen can actually block the sun rays. It can bounce back. It actually you're having a shield on your skin if you're using a mineral sunscreen as compared to having chemical sunscreen. And the sunscreen, or the reason why we have mineral sunscreen, it's because of the zinc oxide and the titanium oxide ingredient of our skin. These two particular ingredients are the one who block the UV rays on our skin. It's actually the shield of our skin. And that's why the consistency of having a mineral sunscreen is more thick as compared to those having a chemical sunscreen. But it's much more safer using the mineral sunscreen. Okay? So aside from zinc oxide and titanium oxide, it also has lilac stem cell, the two main ingredients of our products, and sea daffodil. It also has octinoxate, which is it can absorb UV rays before they can penetrate deep enough to damage the skin. So that's how great our sunscreen is. They really love our sunscreen because most of our clients actually gave us a feedback that they feel like they already have powder once they apply the sunscreen that we have. Okay. So let's move on with the Secret Collection. So Secret Collection, this is our holy grail products of Miss O. It gives you, more glowing skin. If your concern is more on the aging of your skin, you wanted to have a glowing skin, you wanted to prolong the aging of your skin is very dull and you wanted it to, look more radiant, you can actually have the Secret Collection. Okay. So first will be the Secret Pearl. This is what we call the Botox in a jar. We call it the Botox in a jar because of one specific ingredient that we have on it. We have acetyl hexapeptide. This is a well-known or a commonly known Botox in a jar ingredient. That's how good this Secret Pearl is. Okay, it's really potent for anti-aging. It can also eliminate or lighten the dark spots on your skin. It can gives you more brightening effect. And it also improves the skin texture of your skin and gives you more glowing and a brightening effect. So it actually has 1,200 milligrams of glutathione on our Secret Pearl. So it's just like you're having a Cinderella drip. That's how good this Secret Pearl is. So all you have to do is to apply 2 to 3 pumps or more onto your skin, but you really need to have moisturizer before. You really need to apply moisturizer before you apply Secret Pearl because Secret Pearl doesn't have any moisturizer on it. So sometimes if your skin is more on a dry side, it actually has a white cast because it doesn't have any moisturizer on it. That's why we advise them before applying Secret Pearl, your skin really need to have a hydration product like a moisturizer that can actually improve the application of your Secret Pearl. Okay. So these are the ingredients of Secret Pearl. It has niacinamide that can actually reduce the fine lines and wrinkles and also helps us diminish the dark spots. 1,200 milligrams of glutathione is also on it, and vitamin C. It also has frankincense, okay? Frankincense is actually a great ingredient when it comes to anti-aging. It is also responsible for inflammation and skin elasticity of our skin. It really improves with this ingredients that we have. We also have adenosine. It's actually boost the collagen of our skin. Okay. If your client or if you are suffering with acne or you have pimples, you can actually skip using Secret Pearl. Okay. So next product will be the Secret Radiance. So this is actually the night cream that I'm talking to earlier. It's actually and that's the reason why you don't really need to apply active moisturizer at night, because you already have Secret Radiance. So Secret Radiance, it's actually a pigment correcting night brightening cream. It's also anti-aging, and it minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, it can also brighten dark spots. So all you have to do is to apply 3 to 4 pumps during your bedtime. This is going to be the last product that you're going to apply at night. Okay, but you can only use this 5 times a week, or those nights that you will not be having mask night. If you're gonna have your mask night and you're gonna use the Secret Glow and Secret Gold, you can actually skip using Secret Radiance. Okay, this is gonna be your normal night cream. Okay, so the key ingredients or the ingredients that we have in Secret Radiance are: one is the red algae extract. It actually helps build more moisture on our skin. It can also reduces wrinkles and dark spots. It's also an anti-inflammatory agent on our skin. Okay, so it also has oligopeptide, which increase the renewal of your skin. You know, if we really need to have skin cellular turnover, so that we can actually minimize wrinkles and thinning of the aging of our skin. It can give you more on anti-aging effect with this kind of ingredients that we have. It also has Madonna lily leaf that can brighten your skin and decrease the dark spots, and licorice root extract that actually helps us reduces the production of melanin on our skin. And that's the reason why we have pigmentation, dark spots. It's because of the production of melanin on our skin. So if we can reduces the production of melanin on our skin, we can actually eliminate having dark spots on our skin. Okay. So next will be the Secret Glow. So Secret Glow is actually a collagen brightening mask. It's a white mask that we call. Okay, so Secret Glow can be used twice a week, every Monday or Thursday night, or the night before. If you're gonna have an event, you can actually apply your gold mask the night before your event, so that the following day your skin really goods. Your skin really have a a radiant. You're gonna have a radiant skin. Your skin will look more fresh if you're gonna have a mask night the night before your event. So it actually has a collagen booster. It can gives you more a brightening effect, and you can actually see this immediately. You can actually see the result immediately once you have this kind of mask. So you can apply this. You can actually have this alternatively with Secret Gold, or you can layer Secret Glow and Secret Gold in one night. Okay, you can actually layer them for you to have the best result. So some of the ingredients of it will be the hydrolyzed collagen that can actually smooth some fine lines. It also has glutathione, niacinamide, which is also can reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and alpha-arbutin. Okay, it's an inhibitor of unwanted skin pigmentation. And then the last one would be the Secret Gold. So Secret Gold, it's actually gives you more radiant complexion. It's also a powerful spot correction. And if you are, for example, you have sunburn or you have redness on your skin, you can actually apply Secret Gold. It can actually improve the redness or the sunburn on your skin. It protects your skin from sun damage as well. So you can also use this twice a week, every Monday and Thursday night. So some of the ingredients that we have on Secret Gold, of course, vitamin C as well, glutathione. Another one is the fermented soybean. It's a strong antioxidant skin whitening ingredient. That's why your skin really look more fresh. You're gonna have a radiant skin once you have this 24 karat gold mask. It also has linoleic acid. It is a fatty acid with anti-inflammatory and can give you more moisture and hydration on your skin. Okay. So these are the Ultimate Glow collection. So automatically, if the client or if the members does have this pigmentation or age spot or dark spots on their skin, we immediately recommend to have this Ultimate Glow collection. Okay. They also have this option to have this daily essential regimen, which is the basic products that you can use. And you can also have this body BB glow. So if you wanted to, have a brightening effect on your body, aside from having a beautiful face or beautiful skin on your face, you can actually give your body a more radiant or brightening with the use of body BB glow. Okay, it has an instant whitening effect on your skin. It can actually gives you if you compare your skin, for example, on your arms, you apply the body BB glow and compare it with your other arm that doesn't have any body BB glow, you can immediately notice that it's lighter than the one that doesn't have body BB glow. Okay, that's the immediate effect of body BB glow. It's actually a lotion for our body. You can also use it on your neck as well, but you cannot use it on your face. Okay, so it's for all skin type. It's water resistant. It has instant whitening effect. It also has antioxidant grapeseed extract and vitamin E that help to fight, free radicals on our body. You cannot use this on a bikini area as well. And some of the key ingredients of it will be the vitamin C, niacinamide, vitamin E, which is a natural antioxidant, and tourmaline extract, which is actually help us having a skin vibrancy or brightening on our skin. So sometimes client wanted to have a partner with a soap. So we actually partner Milk Brightening Bar and the Body BB Glow. So Milk Brightening Bar can also give you an instant whitening effect. But this one, you can actually use this one 2 to 3 times a week because it has microbeads, or it's actually a exfoliating bar. Okay. So it can lighten some of the dark areas of your body, like you can actually use it underarm before when we don't have any product particularly for the dark underarm. We actually advise this milk brightening bar to our clients. And they gave us feedback, and they said that it can actually lighten their underarm. If you also have some back acne, if you also have some skin concern, because some of our clients gave us feedback that they have eczema or they have psoriasis, it actually improves with our milk brightening bar. Okay. You can just use this one 2 to 3 times a week. You cannot use this every day because it can give you more drying skin. That's going to be the effect because it has microbeads on it. So it has arbutin, which is actually, this is the one particularly block the production of melanin. It also has licorice root extract as well, same benefits of having arbutin. It also has kojic acid, which is a natural skin brightener, and papaya extract, which is used as natural brightening agent. And it has antioxidant and vitamin A and C. So this is how this is the ingredients of our milk brightening bar. And of course, for those who suffer dark underarms, we actually recommend this underarm brightener. So you can apply this one if you have discoloration underarm, and you can actually apply this in the morning or at night. But I advise you, if you are a first timer that you're gonna use this underarm brightener, you really need to do patch tests, because sometimes people doesn't know that they have allergic reaction in azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is one of the main ingredient of underarm brightener. So sometimes it causes redness on our underarm if you have an allergic reaction on it. That's why we advise them to do patch test 3 days, for 3 days. And then if their skin doesn't come up any redness or rashes, they can actually apply it all over their underarm. Okay. You can actually skip using deodorant if you're using underarm brightener, because it has antiperspirant ingredient on it. So it has alpha-arbutin, which is antioxidant and natural brightener, which actually reduces the melanin production. It also has azelaic acid, which is also an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. So it also has butyl resorcinol, which is a potent inhibitor of tyrosinase that can actually slow or block the production of melanin. And that's the reason why our underarms are dark as compared to other areas. It also has pentylene glycol. It's because for us to protect our skin from harmful bacteria that can cause us body odor. And that's the reason why you can skip using deodorant with our underarm brightener. It also has lemon balm, which is also an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant for our skin. But sometimes, since it has azelaic acid, which can kill bacteria, and it's a good anti-inflammatory, you can actually use this if you have, 1 or 2 breakouts on your face. You can actually apply this spot treatment on your face. And it can kill bacteria. The reason why you have breakouts, it's because your skin was already inflamed and your skin was already has a bacteria on that particular area. So you can actually apply this underarm brightener as spot treatment. Apply it using a Q-tip, okay, and then apply it on your breakout. It can actually dries out the pimple or breakout. But of course, if you have a severe acne, we have actually a product for that particularly. So if your skin is very sensitive and you have breakouts, you have acne, these are the things that we actually tell our client not to do, because it might be also the reason why they have breakouts, or it might be the reason why they continuously having acne or pimples. So first, never sleep, of course, with makeup. Second, keep your hair and hands off the face, because sometimes our hair and hands does have a lot of bacteria. And that's the reason why if you have bumps and you always touch your face, and that's the reason why it's gonna be inflamed, because of the bacteria inside of your bumps. Okay, so only use unscented facial tissue, because sometimes scented fragrance or scented tissue can actually harm your skin. Avoid using comedogenic products or makeups that can give you breakouts or clogged pores. So if you suffer acne or pimples and you love having makeup, we have this particular brand that we advise you to use, which is the Bare Minerals brand. Okay, because this particular brand doesn't clog the pores. It's actually non-comedogenic products. So of course, avoid oily and anti-dandruff shampoo. So having shampoo and conditioner that has a lot of oil on it can actually contribute on your breakouts. Okay, it can actually added oiliness on your skin, and once you have a lot of sebum on your skin, it can actually clog your pores. Okay, avoid also toothpaste and mouthwash that contain artificial color. That is why we advise them, if you have acne or pimples, we advise them to use white toothpaste, plain white toothpaste, and clear mouthwash. Okay, because sometimes people who does have sensitive skin, they can actually notice some breakouts along their or on their mouth area. And of course, clean your makeup brush and tools regularly. Okay, so these are the products that we actually recommend for those who have acne prone or acne skin. So we have this Acne Benzoyl Wash. So Acne Benzoyl Wash, it's actually a cleanser that you can use at night. Okay, but in the morning they can use the cleansing milk, because Acne Benzoyl Wash can actually gives you more dry skin, but sometimes people doesn't want to have, it's irritating for them to have dry skin. That's why for us to balance or normalize the skin of the clients, we advise them to use cleansing milk in the morning instead of using Acne Benzoyl Wash twice a day. Okay, and one of the reason of it's because it has a micro beads, and it's actually exfoliating cleanser. So this particular microbeads are the one who kills bacteria inside our skin. It also has one particular ingredient that can kill bacteria which is the benzoyl peroxide. Okay, it can treat acne, this particular ingredient. The benzoyl peroxide that has on it will be 2.5%. So before using this benzoyl wash, I also advise them to actually do some patch test for 3 days on their jaw area, because sometimes people doesn't know that they have allergic reaction with the benzoyl peroxide. So if there's no redness or rashes, they can already apply it all over their face. Okay, so they can only use this at night. Those who have oily and problematic skin, or those who have acne or pimples, can use this acne benzoyl wash as their, cleanser at night. Sometimes client do right after after washing their face, they actually immediately apply cleansing milk. It's actually kind of double cleanse as well, right? But normally we recommend them to use the cleansing milk in the morning. So it has benzoyl peroxide, which is effective antibacterial treatment that can actually kill acne-causing bacteria. And it also has bamboo stem powder, which is can works to absorb excess sebum. And it also has micro exfoliant. This is the micro beads that I'm telling you to unclog the pores and kill remove the dead skin cells. It also has sodium hyaluronate, which is the smallest form of hyaluronic acid that can gives you more on balance the hydration on your skin. Okay. So I'm gonna skip this one because in Club O we don't have any hydrating gel, but this hydrating gel is also a moisturizer for those who have acne skin, but they can actually have the active moisturizer. So next is the acne cream. So acne cream also has benzoyl peroxide, and the percentage of it, it's 5%. But you can apply this one as spot treatment. Okay, so whenever you have breakouts, you can actually apply it on spot treatment. Okay, by using Q-tips, it can also control the excess of your oil and kills the bacteria inside of your pimples. So you can actually have this one in the morning, right after, before you apply moisturizer. Okay. But sometimes people doesn't want to use it in the morning because they apply a lot of products, so they prefer to apply this at night. So it's gonna be up to you. So since it also has benzoyl peroxide, you also have to do some patch test. But if you're doing a patch test using the benzoyl wash, you can no longer do the patch test using the acne cream because they have the same ingredients when it comes to benzoyl peroxide. Aside from that, it has magnesium sulfate, which is a gentle exfoliant. It also has safflower oleosome, which is antioxidant and rich in vitamin E. And it also has tetrahexyldecyl, which is a high stable form of vitamin C that can minimize the breakouts. And if you have some uneven skin tone or darkness on that particular breakout, it can actually give you a much lighter effect because of this vitamin C. Okay, so aside from the acne cream, the benzoyl wash, we also advise them to use our shampoo and conditioner, particularly those who suffer pimples and acne. It's because, as I've said earlier, if you have this kind of skin concern and you're using a hair product that has a lot of oil ingredients on it, it can actually cause, actually that will be the cause or the reason why you have breakouts on your foreheads, on this area. It's because of the hair and because of the hair product that you are using. And that's why Miss O formulated a shampoo and conditioner particularly for those who have, pimples and acne. But you can still use this one because this is, even if you don't have acne, because it is really a good shampoo and conditioner that you can use because of this particular ingredients that we have. So it has sodium lauryl sulfoacetate, which is, a skin-friendly surfactant that can remove oil, dirt, and bacteria. It also has, polycoternium, which is good in conditioning, gives you a conditioning benefits. Cocamidopryl betaine, a natural derived coconut oil. And, it gives you a hydrating and it can actually thicken your hair. Of course, ethyl hexyglycerine, it leaves the hair smoother and softer while hydrating them. So these are the ingredients of our shampoo. And of course, it is much better if you're gonna pair it with conditioner that we have. And most of us, like women, they cannot finish having, shower or taking a bath without conditioner on our hair, right? So it's really good on our hair. It has hydrolyzed keratin. It also has tocoma butter that gives you hydration on your skin. Wheat protein that can actually prevent breakage of your hair. It also has aloe barbadensis leaf juice that can gives you more on moisturizing effect and a well-nourished, hydrated hair. Okay. So these are the Acne Basic Essential kit that you can advise or you can get if you have acne prone or pimple prone skin. We also have wrinkle blur. So if your concern is more on the under eye area, if you have, an eye bags or a dark circles, you can advise to have this one, a wrinkle blur. If you also have some crossfit, like a lines on this area, you can actually apply this one. It has an anti-aging ingredient, which is also acetyl hexapeptide that is commonly known as Botox in a jar. That's why I made actually an experiment out of it with Wrinkle Blur and the Secret Pearl. I actually do mix Secret Pearl and Wrinkle Blur because they have both acetyl hexapeptide ingredients, which is, we call it Botox in a jar. What I do is I mix it, I pump Secret Pearl and then Wrinkle Blur, mix it together, and then I apply it under eye because my concern is actually a dark circles. So it really improves my under eye circles or my dark circles because of that. Because Secret Pearl does have glutathione and anti-aging properties, and same with the Wrinkle Blur. So I leave it overnight and then wash it the following day. So what I did right after Secret Radiance, my last my last product that I applied every night. I mix together the Wrinkle Blur and the Secret Pearl and then apply it as my under eye mask. And then I leave it overnight. And then the following day, I wash it using cleansing milk. It will improve actually the dark circles under eye. Okay. So the ingredients of it has alpha hydroxy acid that lighten uneven pigment. That's the reason why I apply it. And then I also apply it on my crossfeet, on my laugh line as well. It also has heptapeptides that can stimulate collagen and elastin on our skin. Tetrapeptide, which is can give you more plump and smooth skin and blurring away fine lines. That's why I apply it until my crossfeet. Okay. And this particular product, which is the acetyl hexapeptide. Okay. So there you are, all the products of Olivia Kido Skincare. So any questions about our products? Do you have confusion about regimen? You can ask questions while I'm still here so that I can guide you.
I have a few, if that's okay. Can I start?
Yeah, surely.
So we have a lot of allergies in our home. And so one of the things that concerned me was the soybean in the gold mask. I particularly am allergic to soybeans.
Okay.
So I did try the sample on my face, but I'm not sure if it was related to my allergy or if it was the mask, because I got really red, through here. But I also know someone else had gotten red on their face who doesn't have an allergy to it. And so is that common to get redness when you use the mask?
Well, actually, the effect of mask would be having you more radiant skin. And actually, if you have sunburn, we actually advise them to apply Secret Gold. But if your concern would be more on an allergic reaction, I might suggest for you to actually do the patch test on your jaw area. If you have some rashes, actually, you can skip using the Secret Gold, but instead use the Secret Glow, our white mask, our white collagen mask, because it's actually alternative for that.
Is that the only product with soybean?
Which one? Yeah, the Secret,
the gold mask.
Yes, the gold mask. Yeah.
So then my next question would be, is there somewhere, like in our back office or listed somewhere on the website that, has the allergies listed? I know my son in particular is allergic to milk. And so there are some things that while he has, really bad eczema, it has a milk protein in it. So like for someone like him, he wouldn't be able to use it.
Yes. Actually, we advise them to check all the ingredients that are on our products are listed on our website. They can actually check those ingredients. Or if not, they can do some patch tests for 3 days actually before using on the large area on your face for us to be able. Sometimes allergies can react after a few days. So you really need to check your skin. And sometimes you will actually experience having purging if you are all familiar with purging. So it's kind of normal. For example, I have a smooth skin. I don't have any problems when it comes to breakout. But after using for the first time of our products, I've noticed I have a lot of breakouts or bumps on our skin. It's actually normal having purging on our skin because sometimes our skin really need to adapt to the new ingredients that we introduce to our skin. And that's the reason why it reacted or it purged. But all you have to do is to continue using it, because purging can last up to 3 to 4 weeks until your skin will be, adopted already to the new ingredients that you introduce onto your skin. So it's gonna be normal if you
Okay.
have breakouts on it.
The
Okay.
last question that I personally have, actually, this was a customer question, and
Okay.
I didn't know. So the wrinkle blur, they had put it under their eyes. And earlier you had mentioned you mixed the two at night and then you washed it off the next morning. So
Yeah.
what happened was she put it on, and then when she
Mhm.
did her makeup, it caked up. So do you have to remove it, or
Yes. You
it
have
does
to.
need to be removed?
Yeah. Sometimes people use wrinkle blur in the morning, but for me, I would advise if they're gonna apply makeup, they need to apply it the night before, so that you're gonna
Okay.
have a good results. Because if you're gonna apply wrinkle blur and then you're gonna top it with your makeup, it's gonna be it will look cakey on your skin.
Okay. Okay.
And sometimes actually when you pump wrinkle blur, you will notice when you mix it, you will notice some like what do you call this, some beads on it. It's normal with
Okay.
the wrinkle blur. Yeah, all you have to do
Okay.
is to try to mix Secret Pearl, because I'm actually a product trainer of Miss O. So one time we actually advise wrinkle blur when we launch it, just for eye bags. And then I've noticed I'm not actually satisfied with the results of wrinkle blur with those who have, big eye bags, something like that. And not all clients does have those eye bags, right? Most of our clients does have, dark circles. That's as we get age, and and that's the reason why I experiment using the wrinkle blur. And Miss O noticed something about me when I didn't tell her that I'm experimenting something about her product. So she noticed something. There's something new on your face. Parang she told me that it gives you more glowing. What happened? What did you do to your skin? And then I told her, oh, I'm experimenting for a few weeks already with your wrinkle blur and Secret Pearl, because I've noticed we have the best ingredients that we call Botox in a jar on both products. And I decided that, oh, why not having this together and applying
Yeah.
under. So that's gonna be a great results if they
So
every
you're
night continuously using that.
So you said laugh lines, crow feet, wrinkles,
Yes.
eye bags.
Mhm.
What about like the 11s between your eyes and your forehead?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Someone
Actually,
had mentioned that to me as well.
I do have a lot of excess products when I mix together those two, and I applied every corner, the every area of my face that has wrinkles. That's what I do.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yo, any more questions? If you have, actually, what I do when I do club, or when I offer club to my prospect, is actually do I also do consultation first. So I ask them, their skin concern, what's going to be your goal for your skin, what do you want to have on your skin, what do you want to eliminate on your skin. And with that, you can have a conversation and, just act like a consultant for them. Okay, so that they will, our products is really one of the best. I mean, I'm into beauty industry for 18 years already. I've been into a well-known aesthetic clinic here in the Philippines, a well-known doctor here in the Philippines. In fact, that particular doctor also put up a clinic in California before. So she's a well-known doctor for a celebrity as well here in the Philippines. I've worked with her. But when I tried the product of Miss O, when she sent me her products, I was amazed. I'm really amazed up until now. And that's the reason why I'm a believer of her skincare. Because those companies that I've worked with, you can give a results to your clients when it comes to aging. It's because of the machine treatments that we offer. And secondarily would be just the skincare as their, maintenance. If they're not gonna have, a schedule for the machine treatments. But with Miss O, having the skincare, the complete skincare, and use it daily, you can actually achieve a same result as those who do some machine treatments. Yeah, that's
Okay.
how we treat our products, and be confident because we have the best products. We have Miss O. Most of our clients that I've encountered is having Obagi, Zeo Obagi, and then they turn out that they really love our product. So we have a lot of, actually, we have a lot of testimonials. We have a lot of clients who give us referrals. And that's why Miss O came up with the Club O. It's because she has a lot of clients who gave her, referral because they have friends and family notice their skin and ask their regimen. And that's why they refer, oh, I'm using Miss O's product. And that's how Miss O grows her business. And during that time, we don't give any gift or incentives to those who give us referrals. But right now, and that's the reason why right now Miss O come up with this kind of program to give back to those clients of her that normally gave or normally refer our products to their family and friends. So Miss O gave back those, by giving them commissions out of it. That's
So
why.
with that being said, and us now, coming into the network marketing field. So obviously you've worked in house, you've worked with patients, now you've probably done wholesale distributing, I'm assuming. And so now we're stepping into a whole new world with you. Is there some advice that you can give to maybe some of the ladies that are going to focus more on the skincare part when they're doing in-home or having people come? So you said you do consultations, you ask, what are their concerns? What are their goals? And you hear what they have to say, you make recommendations, but say they're directly in front of you, or, they have like an in-home party and, ladies come in. What are maybe some steps that they can apply in their party to help them be successful?
Okay, so first, if you cannot do some, gathering or event, you can actually have them or consult them through, a virtual consultation. That's why most of the ambassadors that I help with, I do actually consult their clients. They actually ask their friends or family, oh, you have skin concern? I have something, or I have a recommendations with you. You undergo consultation with this particular person or with this virtual assistant. I do consultation virtually. We do consultation virtually. And most of our clients are in the US. Okay. That's how broad Miss O is, because even they are in Alaska, they are in Texas. We do consultations based on their preferred time. Okay, so we
So
do
how do we
consultation.
schedule those with you guys?
Oh, actually, you can have it. You can check. You can message me, or you can message any of the virtual assistant. Ask them, oh, are you available for this time? I have a client that are interested with this one, because I have we have ambassadors that they book some consultation with me, and then right after consultation, when they realize that, oh, this is what I want for my skin, and
Okay.
that's how I offered the products, and then I
But if
gave
we're
them.
in a
Oh,
group setting and we have the products in front of them, what
mhm,
would be the best way, like in person? I mean, obviously at the end we can schedule
mhm,
consults, but
mhm.
we can't do that in the middle of a party. So if they wanted to
Yeah.
look at the products, is there like a certain way that maybe they could have a quote unquote party, like a spa night, so to speak? What do you feel like, would be some easy steps? Because like I've got some girls that are going to do it tomorrow.
Mhm,
They've got a group of
mhm,
women coming to their house. They're going to put the
mhm,
products out. And I think they're going to start from washing their face to applying the products to sending them home with a gold mask on their face.
mhm,
But what are some steps maybe in between that can help them be more beneficial to where they
mhm,
can raise potential purchases, through their
mhm.
clients to raise their numbers a little bit. On the backside, that's the goal, right? We want to make more
Yeah.
money. We want to get it out there
Mhm,
in more hands. So,
mhm.
what do you feel like maybe would be the best way if we can't do a consult with you right then?
Okay, so if you're gonna have for example, a gathering or an event, actually you can have what we call a beauty day or a beauty night. So there are a portion there that you're gonna apply this. Oh, this is gonna be the step by step, and then you can actually invite some people that can do some talking about the in-depth um knowledge, or the in-depth talk about the particular products that they're gonna use. They can actually have that.
So,
So,
Kelly, who is on here, is having an event tomorrow at her house. So, would
oh,
she be able, is there one of you that maybe she would be able to work with that would
mhm.
do what you're saying tomorrow?
Okay, so what's gonna be the time so that I can check some of our schedule? So what's gonna be the time? And then all you have to do is to just talk, and then give some ideas about the products, the step by step. We can do, actually you can have us uh on screen, and then while we are talking, you can actually follow the steps that we are telling you. At first we can actually give you some insights about the products, and then we'll let you do the thing. Okay, so first thing, you need to wash your face. It's gonna be an interaction, so that's gonna be a good flow of your program. You can call it a pajama night or a beauty night, something like that, or a
Mhm.
girls' night out, you know, something like that, so that
That's
Mhm.
that's what
you
we're gonna do. But is
mhm.
it, I'm sure there's got to be a fee for us to use you and take up your time to do that. So what is the fee to have that done?
Okay, we can actually ask Hayden, or Hayden can ask Miss O about that, because actually this time that I'm spending with you is actually a time this is Miss O is paying for me for this time. So you can actually ask them, so what's going to be the setup for that. But yeah,
Yeah.
of course, Miss O and Hayden can actually, give you a favor for that. Of course, you don't have
Mhm.
to worry for that. You don't have to worry about that for now, because actually Miss O talked to me earlier and said, Miss O, I have a client, but I need to move. So please help Hayden. He really needs you. So I don't so Miss O is really humble. She's really kind. She really loves this one. And Miss O actually told me to, please help Diana, all our ambassador. I want Miss O has, I do actually the live of Miss O. I'm the co-host of Miss O, but sometimes if Miss O is not available during Fridays, I'm the one who do. That's how trusted Miss O she is with me. She really trusted me. So if you requested that to Hayden and Hayden will request it to Miss O, of course Miss O will say yes. And then they are the one who will talk about the fee for that. You don't have to worry. Maybe they're gonna have some program about that. If you for example already earning commissions, maybe they can get some percentage as payment for that particular. It's
Okay.
really, we are really actually flexible. You don't have to worry about that for now.
Thank you so
We're
much.
here, we
Well,
are here to help you guys. I love Miss O. I love the company of Miss O. I love the product of Miss O. That's why I'm here to help you all of you guys.
thank you.
Anything that I can help you, if you actually have a messenger, or if you actually have a WhatsApp, you can send me a message. Don't be shy. I can actually help you. Or if you want a a prospect, a client that wanted to, do some consultation because you don't know what's gonna be the recommendations or the products for her, you can actually book an appointment with me. You don't have to worry about the cost of it. It's gonna be between Hayden and Miss O already. All you have to
Okay.
do, our goal is for you guys to grow with this business. I wanted to help you all, and I'm here to help you. So you can
Thank you
actually,
very much.
I'm just gonna type in here my number, or you have Facebook as well.
Mm-hmm.
So my Facebook is, you can search Diane Oskin. Actually, I have two accounts. One is Diana with A, but I can no longer open that account. But my new account is Diane E with E, Diane Oskin. This is my Facebook account, and this is my WhatsApp number. Actually, I have a US number as well. You can actually send me a message through my US number.
Okay.
So my US number 657-514-7859. There. So anything, if you have questions, Diana, my members have this kind of reaction, or my member has this kind of skin problem. What will be your advice? I can help you with that.
Awesome.
Thank
That'd
you
be
so
great.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, and
Thank you so much for
good
yours.
luck. And let me know how I can help you guys. I'm willing to help you.
Oh, you're so
Thank
special.
you.
All of you
Thank
are
you so
ambassadors,
much.
or you already have a rank up, or you rank up already.
I think all of us have, yeah.
Yeah.
A couple of times. Yeah.
So thank you
All
so
right.
much, and I do have
Thank
my
you.
contact with you, so just
Yes.
send me a message or let me know. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you. And we're going to get the recording, right? We're going to get the
Yes,
recording.
yes.
All right.
Can
Thank you
get.
so much.
you.
Have a good night,
Thank
y'all.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.